Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play AI Minecraft. First of all, you can just go to Google and type in Oasis Descartes welcome. That will bring you to this web search where you'll be able to see oasis.descartes.ai. That web address there, go ahead and click on Oasis, or you can go directly to this website URL link. If you want to retake this homepage here where it says Oasis, you can go ahead and click on Start. Then you will see this text pop up right here, after which you can click on Next, and that will load up the Oasis Descartes page where you can play AI in Minecraft. So as you can see here, you can choose a map. There are a bunch of different options. Make sure you click refresh in the top right hand corner. If you can't load in to one of these maps straight away, you can go ahead and choose a map. There are a bunch of different options. Here you can also upload your own if you want to, but you can go ahead and click on whichever one you want there by clicking begin journey. Then as you can see, it will load you in right there. Then you'll be able to use the keyboard controls at the bottom of the screen there to be able to move around the map as you are playing the real Minecraft, but this is the AI version. You kind of do everything you want within that. You have 5 minutes to play as you wish, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.